friends, thanks for joining. I'm running solo today, but I've got something good that I think you'll want to try at home. I am making Giada De Laurentiis grilled chicken and basil dressing, and I thought that sounds like the perfect summer entree because you're grilling and you've got basil. And I don't know about you, but I have so much basil growing in my garden, I'm pretty much giving it to anybody who walks by my house. So if there's a recipe that I can make with basil other than pesto, I'm all for it. So let's get started. First step with any good recipe is to marinate the chicken. The recipe calls for 6 pieces of mix of breasts and thighs with skin on. So I just have 4 pieces. So for the marinade, we're gonna add some olive oil, some coarsely pounded fennel seeds, which smells like black licorice. I don't like the taste of black licorice, but it's kind of cool to smell it from a seed. I don't have a pestle and mortar, so if you don't have one, just get a sturdy dish and then use like the back end of a wooden spoon or a rolling pin or something. That'll work too. Add some salt and pepper. Not exact, because that's how I roll. Some lemon juice. Now, just whisk it together. Yeah, just smells like oil. So you get this nice green, goddess of green like color. Done. Easy. In the bag it goes. I have a gallon-sized plastic bag, and I'm wondering if this marinade is going to be enough for, well, I have 4 pieces, but she says 6. So I'm going to get as much of this goodness out as I can. And I'm already off to a bad start because I just realized I don't have a grill. I used to. I know, so it's already gonna not be as good as it could be. But I wanted to try it, and I got this recipe from my next door neighbor. So I am eager to try it. She loves it, and I thought it sounded amazing. And it goes 1, 2, 3, and 4. Doesn't that look delicious? All right, I'm gonna seal it up, and now I'm gonna massage it. There's plenty of dressing. Giada knows what she's talking about. How dare I question her? All right, massage, massage. Get that green color all over the chicken. This is gonna be the flavoring infused within the chicken. So now we're gonna put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, up to an hour. All right, in the fridge it goes. All right, in the meanwhile, we are gonna make the dressing. Having basil in your kitchen is just so delightful. Just to have the smell, it's just very invigorating and it just makes me happy. So I highly advise having a basil plant. You can just cut them and then put it in a jar of water and it just stays alive like forever. That was a PSA on promoting basil in your kitchen. Now back to the dressing. Basil, garlic, lemon peel, lemon juice, salt. Yes, people, I'm kind of eyeballing it, which probably isn't a good decision for me if you've ever seen our videos. Pepper. Okay, blend until smooth. Wait, don't I need olive oil? Blend until smooth and then gradually blend in the remaining oil. Let's go. Oh, is this part of the taste test? Was I not supposed to taste this? Look, I was gonna look to Kat to ask her, but she's not here today. Good. Okay, next we're gonna start grilling. Or in my case, frying. I know, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, the time has come for the taste test. Now, I'll be honest with you, the chicken, it was a juicy, thick chicken, and I have a fear of uncooked chicken, so I'm the one who tends to overcook my chicken. After frying it, I did put it in the oven for a little longer just to make sure the inside was cooked, so we shall see. But now, for the basil dressing, I don't even know how much to put on. Let's dig in. So good. So good. It's so juicy. The sauce is perfect. It's light. It's so flavorful but bold because of the basil and the lemon. Oh my goodness. And I think if we grilled it, it would be like even 10 times more delicious. This is so stinking good. This is a must make. It is so good. Thank you for watching. Thank you for visiting. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do and hit that bell so you don't miss our next video. So Kat and I will see you next time. Bye.
My girl loves her lemon.
Oh, I just licked it. Eh, I've eaten worse.